Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake.
Oh, welcome to my channel. This is Yvonne Shani. Thanks for subscribing, and for our returning subscribers, welcome back. So today we are going to prepare our creamy pumpkin soup, and all we'll need is mashed pumpkin. It should be so fine, like if you're able to blend, please do so. I just used like 250 ml of mashed pumpkin, 120 ml of fresh milk, then 85 ml of blended onions, ginger, and a little bit of salt to taste. Then finally, I used 7.5 ml of Royco, which is equivalent to half tablespoon. We don't need so much ingredients or so much spices on doing the soup because you can serve it to kids. You can put your oil in your sufuria. Let the oil sizzle for about 20 seconds, and then you add your blended paste. Let it cook with low heat for about 30 seconds. Make sure your heat is low, and then you add your Royco. Just stir until they blend in together. With the low heat, it will help sticking. Royco, then blend them together. Just mix them all together. Remember, you use 7.5 ml only. You stir, and then you add your milk, fresh milk. You add your fresh milk. Let it simmer for about 15 seconds. You will now have that look. Then add your blended or mashed pumpkins as you mix all together. We don't need a lot of heat here. Just make sure you cook at a very low heat. Yeah, you add, and then you mix them all together gently. It is coming to shape now. Just mix them gently. Just mix them gently. And you will start seeing some bubbles. That will be a clear indication that our soup is coming to shape. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. Our soup is almost ready. This is very nice serving kids and also adults as a starter. Very yummy. You can eat it with bread as you wait for the main dish. And also you can give it to a baby from 6 months. Very nutritious and healthy. Please try this recipe. Make sure you follow every bit, and I'm very sure you love it. Thank you, guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Like, leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.